Good morning, guys! Happy day off! Today is Wednesday here. Welcome to another video, guys. For today's video is my day off. Tapos, wala lang. It's same routine. Hindi naman same routine talaga, pero as usual na ginagawa namin every day off. Sumasama ko asawa para i-drop off ang mga kiddos. But, si Kuya, na-drop off na siya ni asawa ko dahil mas maaga naman si Kuya. So right now, I am making my coffee. Coffee guys. Coffee tayo. Diyan na si asawa ko. Nakabalik na siya.
Turkey butt. Oh, that helped a little bit, huh?
But it's still not.
Well, you probably have to make like a paste.
I did, but
It'll take probably.
just my neck hurt. Like,
Oh, I know. The fan don't work. Like getting the-
maybe you need to remove the filter, but not right now.
No, not now. Sure.
Let's
Maybe get rid of the.
because we're busy right now, you know.
We just gotta like spray into there and then like
Yeah.
put something over right here and then spray it, loosen it up, wipe it with paper towels for now. Like just go.
No, because that's so sticky. That's hard to take out.
Well, I know. Plus you gotta bend over like crazy.
Hi guys, ready na po kami. Papunta kami ngayon sa store, but first dalahin muna namin yung sasakyan ko sa tire shop. Tingnan natin kung may problema ba or wala. Let's see.
Like this.
Okay. Tapos guys, pupunta kami ng Costco, mag-grocery kaming konti. Ayan, ito lang yung outfit natin. Outfit check.
Supposed to shut your
Blinds?
Shut the blinds.
You want me to do it?
When you go somewhere, you should.
Okay.
Look in.
Guys, outfit. My outfit from the other day. Kasi hindi pa naman madumi. Alam niyo kasi guys, madali lang kasi kami sa store. Kaya, hindi na ako ng
Because
outfit.
somebody could just ring the doorbell and nobody's home, and it looked like in the windows. You know what I mean?
Right.
But if they don't know somebody's home, then
Alright. So, tara guys, let's go. Ayan. Yan yung sasakyan namin. What? Okay. Yung isa, dala-dala namin kasi. Ay, nako. Papasok daw kami. Bagay para naman din matuto ang kanyang asawa na maganda. Ha?
good thing we came today.
Why?
Big bubble on the side of your tire,
Where?
ready to blow out.
Where?
Right there.
Where? Ah, okay.
If you ever see anything like that, that means problem.
Well,
Fix right away.
you're the one who always check my thing. You did not see that?
I didn't see it till just now.
Okay. Well, ito yung sasakyan na sinundan ko sa kanya yan, guys. Anyway, tara guys. Check muna natin. Pasok tayo dyan sa loob. Ayan o. Magkano kaya ma-damage namin for today? Sana naman hindi ma-lucky. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Yeah.
Based on data provided by HHS's Office of Refugee Resettlement, from January
Wala pang
2021
tao.
to January 2025, the Senate Judiciary Committee found that almost 11,500 migrant children were placed with unvetted sponsors who were not their parent, not their legal guardian,
We're lucky that didn't blow out already.
under the age of 12, including
Anyway.
1,961 who were placed
Huh?
in households where a home study was recommended. Senate
You have to
Judiciary
have
Committee
one
Chairman
because
Chuck
you
Grassley
drive
called the findings appalling and saying
far
that
every day.
my oversight continues to
the new
expose
car.
disturbing evidence that the Biden-Harris administration are being
Sana all. Papalitan niya daw talaga ang tires kasi iniisip niya yung safety ng kanyang misis. Han, look. Tara guys, wait namin. Pili daw kami ng tire dito guys. Diyos Mario, Joseph Castro na naman.
His thing, I mean, that's crazy.
Oh, you did not check it? Me.
So you should check the tire all the time.
Tama din naman guys. O, sige, mamaya ulit.
See, this is what
Doon ang aking ano guys, camera.
you use.
Ito na kami sa Costco.
This is what you use to spray to kill all the germs, like in the house.
Yeah, but that's, yeah, I know, $12.49. Actually guys, wala masyadong tao. Look, ayan yung aking camera, oh. Look, it's $7.29 here. Yeah, I paid 1,000. $7.29 dito guys. Yan na yung bundle. Ito, comes with all of this. Yan yung akin. Tada! Ganda nito. Oh. Wala masyadong tao dito. Buti naman. Ganda. Oh, this is the, yeah, this is the one I like. But the only thing is this. I don't want this. Oh, that's cool. That's for the bathroom. Okay, so, ang cute nito. Oh. Yan, oh. Parang light shopper. Ay, oh, look. This one, I can put this on the, but not right now. Wala masyadong tao dito. That's good. Get the stuff we need. No, we don't need that. Tingnan nyo guys, super peaceful. Pagkasama mo to siya, tagal talaga to siyang mamili. Kahit wala na siyang pambili, tingin pa rin siya ng tingin. No, not today because we have to actually kind of rush. Well, no, not that color. Meat lang dapat ang aming kukunin dito, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cool.
You need to take the work with you.
Grabe, ang high-tech, oh. Tingnan yung presyo.
Take it to work for you.
Yeah, okay. Why not? That's big. What do? I'll take it and then sit down on it.
Strap it on your back.
Dalahin ko daw yung para punasan na lang yung puwet ko na hindi ko nagagamitin yung kamay ko. But anyway, tara guys. No, I don't need that. Tara guys, mamili muna kami. Bili tayo nito. Pero parang gawin natin siya tacos na mga ganun. Anyway, ito lang okay, $31. Tapos hati-hatiin natin. Here, I get this so I can separate that. Huh?
Tapos kuha tayo. Yan lang maganda dito oh. Kasi nakapackaging na yung kanilang. Kuha tayo ng chicken. Tapos kuha tayo ng chicken breast. Oh, how come this is different kind of chicken thigh? Ah, okay.
That's what you want right there.
Yeah, I know, right? But a lot of skin. Where's your chicken breast? Chicken tenderloin. You don't want this kind, you see? I don't know.
Boneless and skinless. Just that one.
Okay. Just get that one because I like that one. Ito na yun so far yung nabili namin. Kuha tayo ng breast. Yan lang maganda dito. Naka-packaging. Naka-packaging na po. Aray!
This is all organic.
Aray! You don't want organic.
Oh, organic's pretty good.
Okay.
Oh, these little pancakes right there.
Kuha kami ng I'm gonna go in the other meat. I have chicken thighs, chicken breast, I have beef stew. We need ground beef. We need like beef ground beef. Potato base, cheddar and chive. Tingnan natin to. Kay si Gabriel ba masyadong maarte eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung kakainin niya ba to. Kasi gusto niya yung mga mashed potato, mga ganon. Hindi ko alam. Magkano naman to? $8.99. Okay, fine. Kunin natin to. Diyan siya. Ito siya ng meat. Oh, ito kuha tayo ng pork chop. Ayan, oh.
Like my toast.
Do you like this? I like bone.
This is thick, though. You got those of these. Okay. That's a lot.
Well, you have to separate this one. Like, kind of separate it. Put it in, like, Ziploc bags.
Well, I know, but I'm just saying that's a lot. You want that?
A lot of price.
That's pork.
Kuha tayo ng pork chops. Baka pagkatapos nito, punta daw kami. Let's go faster so we can go to W Spoon. Ito na lang guys, $21. Tre patay, kisi ang silupin. Sige, video pa mo.
Jumbo shrimp with it is.
Yan, sama pa ako more, sama pa more.
Look, you broke it.
Okay. Kuha tayo ng isa nito guys. Ito yung gusto namin. Favorite namin to eh.
Try and get the one
Sausage. What do you mean? That's $11.29. That's on sale. Ito may mga ano dito. Ito mga ready to cook na ito na mga pagkain. Ayan na so far yung aming nabili. Yan pa lang naman. So, hindi pa masama. Parami na ng parami ang tao. So, dapat makalayas na kami dito. Bango. Smells so good. Oh, look. It's like chicharon.
And so it's trying to figure
Fried
out. And that's
chicken.
what I'm saying, like when I talked
Anyway,
to
kuha tayo ng gatas.
yesterday,
Kuha tayo nitong sushi kasi gusto to ni Kuya. Para alam niya na, pag uwi niya, meron siyang makain. Dito naman yung kanilang juice, milk, eggs area. Mga, alam niyo na, mga cold ba. Yan. Tapos yogurt. Ay, tingnan kaya natin to for Gabriel ba. Kasi ano ba. Chocolate organic. Ano to? Milk. Organic whole milk. Banana milk. Signature. low fat. Guys,
Outstanding. If you
tapos tapos na po kami nag-grocery guys. Tingnan niyo yung cart namin. Punong-puno. Tapos punta kami sa W Spoon para mag-lunch. Kasi gutom na po talaga kami. Let's go. Ay, bili tayo nito. Hi. Dito ako sa Asian store. La la la. La la. Dito ako sa Asian store ngayon guys. Bili tayo ng soy sauce. Ayan. Walang tao dito so good. Perfect for me. Yan. Dali. Bili tayo ng toron. Isang toron lang. Toron sa ba. Tapos, ay marami akong sardinas doon eh. Huwag na lang yung sardinas. Siguro, spice vinegar. Ito na lang siguro. Ulit tayo nito. Yan. Para ano. Tapos, bili tayo ng hotdog. Bili nga tayo ng hotdog. Knowledge is power. Kaya lang, wala sila ng hotdog na mga ano. Pero ox na to. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kamahal. $5.39. Okay. Next. Longganisa. Sige na nga, bilhin na lang din tayo ng longganisa. Bakit hindi? Da-da-da. La 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 la. At bili tayo na. Yung pa kung mabili natin. Wala na masyado dito eh. Puro na kasi mga ano. Anyway, andun si asawa ko sa labas. Tumaan na lang ako dito kasi pupunta kami ng ano. Doon kami magla-lunch. Kasi na magic sarap dito. Ay, ito. Ayan guys, magic sarap. Hindi pwedeng mawala. Kasi magic sarap ay pang magic. O, bili din tayo nito. Bili din tayo nito. Ayan. Kasi, grabe. Para sa ano to ba? Kung gusto kong gumawa ng, alam niyo na. At bili tayo ng 2 spaghetti sauce. Kasi, mimix ko yan sa American na spaghetti sauce. Yan. Star margarine. Wag na lang yan. Okay, doon tayo sa kabila guys. Bili tayo nitong mga ano nila. Ito. Para pang snack na mga baguettes ba. Ito. Siyempre. Chips guys. Hindi pwedeng mawala. So, tatlo. Ito pa, ganyan. Maalaman ito. Ito pa kasi masarap din naman ito. Cheese string. Puro mga junk. Ding dong. Bili din tayo nitong sunflower mango at sunflower cream sandwich kasi masarap yan. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. Ayan. Tapos ito, manghuan. Ito, ang laki naman kasi nito. Wala silang maliit. Patay, ang daming junk. Asan na yung favorite ni Gabriel? Ay, ito. Gusto to niya mga bata. Si Gabriel, si Kuya, at saka si Ate. Gusto nila yung mga ganyan. Yan. Kunin na natin. Ano ito? Ito ko. Palitan ito guys. Tapos yan na. Wala na. Ito na lang. Kuha tayo nito. Ito. Grabe ang calories lang nito. Hindi na masama pala. Pang ano lang ba? Merong mga ano dyan. Gulay doon. Ano ito? Ubi. Oh, karatalon.
I kind of want that, but
Oh yeah? It's up to you.
no. I'm just
Guys,
saying,
tapos na ako sa
but I'm
Asian store.
full though.
So, nag-decide kami na we're not gonna go
But I
to...
still feel full.
Yeah, me, kasi
I'd
I buy a
rather-
lot of food already, guys. So, we buy lots of food at Costco. I buy a lot of food at Asian store. So, I'd rather have that. Kaysa naman sa buffet, guys. Kasi, diba, alam niyo naman. Pero yung asawa ko, sabi niya, hindi daw siya gutom. So, it's perfect time.
Pre-owned mega stores.
So, tara, let's go. Uwi na.
Over
And
20.
let's try to haul
250
later.
Pre-owned cars in stock.
Hi guys, bahay na po. So si asawa pumunta sa school ng mga bagets kasi lobat ang aking kamera guys. Tapos guys, pagdating pala namin, syempre giput away namin lahat ng mga nabili namin from Costco. Hindi na ako nakapag-haul guys, as usual, walang time. Kasi tumawag na yung pinadalhan namin sa sasakyan ko and okay na siya, na-change na yung tire. And you know, meron akong chichika sa inyo maya. So, thanks God talaga at naagapan. Thank you so much Lord talaga. Naagapan po yung gulong ng aking sasakyan. So, I'm so thankful to God. Maraming salamat at walang masama pong nangyari.